Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to text your friends on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Friends. Tap on the profile of the user that you want to text. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can go ahead and type a text to send to your friend. Now all you have to do is tap on the send button to send your message. And that's it. This is how you text your friends on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.